হ্যালো মাই ডিয়ার ভিউয়ার্স, সরস্বতী পুজো হয়ে গেল। আজ থেকে আবার আমাদের পড়াশোনায় ফিরতে হবে। আমরা আজ যে টপিক ডিসকাস করব সেটা হলো জুলজির সেমিস্টার 3 এর বায়োকেমিস্ট্রি পেপারের ফার্স্ট ইউনিট থেকে। সেগুলো হলো আয়োনাইজেশন অফ ওয়াটার, বাফার্স, ওয়াটার অ্যাজ এ রিঅ্যাক্ট্যান্ট অ্যান্ড ফিটনেস অফ দ্য অ্যাকুয়াস এনভায়রনমেন্ট। চলো আমরা স্টার্ট করি। আয়োনাইজেশন অফ ওয়াটার, তাহলে কি বলছে? আয়োনাইজেশন অফ ওয়াটার ইজ বেসিক্যালি water self-ionizes to produce hydronium ion and hydroxide ions, maintaining acid-base balance in biological and chemical systems. Equation হবে 2H₂O থেকে তৈরি হচ্ছে H₂O plus H₃O plus OH minus as simplified as H₂O H plus OH minus. এর মেকানিজম কি? at 25 degree Celsius আমরা বলতে পারি about 1 into 10 to the power 7 water molecules ionize, transferring a proton H plus ion to another molecule, forming H₃O plus and OH minus. This reversible process establishes dynamic equilibrium. এরপরে আমরা দেখব ion product of water. The ion product of water or Kw is the equilibrium constant for the self-ionization of water. It is given by Kw H plus OH minus, value at 25 degree Celsius. At standard temperature 25 degree Celsius, Kw is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 14 mol square per liter square. This value is temperature dependent and increases with rising temperature. Neutral water কি হবে? In pure water the concentrations of H plus and OH minus are equal. H plus OH minus into 1 into 10 to the power minus 7 mol per liter. Ion product of water by Kw at 25 degree Celsius, Kw H plus OH minus is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 1. pH, a measure of the hydrogen ion concentration. pH হচ্ছে minus log of H plus. Neutral water এর ক্ষেত্রে pH টা হয় 7. Importance হচ্ছে the pH of a solution affects enzyme activity, ion solubility and biochemical reaction rates. বোঝা গেল? এরপর আমরা আসছি বাফার. বাফার is key to pH stability. Buffer resist the pH changes or the changes of hydrogen ion concentration upon the addition of small amounts of acid or bases. Function কি বলছি? It maintain pH stability in biological and chemical environment. এর mechanism কি হবে? It consists of a weak acid and its conjugate base, or a weak base or its conjugate acid. Weak acid donates H plus to neutralize bases. Conjugate base accepts H plus to neutralize acids. Example হচ্ছে acidic acid CH3COOH and acetate ion CH3COO minus system. এরপরে আমরা দেখি buffer components. A weak acid and its conjugate bases such as acetic acid and acetate ion, এটা হচ্ছে buffer component. Buffering capacity কি হবে? Its ability to resist pH changes depending on concentration and proximity to pKa. Maximum capacity at pKa, where acid concentration is equal to the concentration of base. Effectiveness drops if pH deviates greater than 1 unit from pKa. Factors affecting buffering capacity, এটা হতে পারে higher concentration, যত বাড়বে higher concentration of the acid and conjugate base increase the capacity. Ratio of components, a balanced ratio of acid to base provides better buffering efficiency. Biological buffers. Buffers are crucial for maintaining the stable pH required for enzymatic activity, metabolic processes and structural integrity of biomolecules. Some key biological buffer systems include bicarbonate buffer system, primarily operates in the blood plasma, maintains blood pH approximately 7.4. H2CO3 H plus HCO3 minus. Impairment of this system leads to acidosis or alkalosis, conditions that disrupt normal physiological function. Phosphate buffer এর ক্ষেত্রে কি হয়? Intracellular and kidney, it regulates the cellular pH, supports enzyme function and aids ATP metabolism. H3PO4 থেকে তৈরি হচ্ছে H plus আর H4 minus. It also helps excrete H plus ions in urine for blood pH balance. Protein buffer. Proteins act as effective buffers in biological system due to the presence of amino acid side chains capable of accepting or donating hydrogen ions. This buffering capacity helps stabilize pH in intracellular and extracellular fluids, playing a vital role in maintaining homeostasis. Proteins like hemoglobin in red blood cells play a crucial role in buffering blood pH. Hemoglobin binds H plus ion during oxygen delivery, maintaining pH balance. Cytoplasmic proteins stabilize intracellular pH, ensuring optimal enzyme activity. Protein buffers complement other buffering systems such as bicarbonate and phosphate, providing a broad range of buffering across different pH levels. Buffering ensures the proper folding and function of proteins, as drastic pH changes can lead to denaturation. Examples of protein buffer: hemoglobin, it buffers blood pH by binding H plus via histidine residue, crucial in the Bohr effect for oxygen release. Albumin, most abundant plasma protein, contributes to blood buffering through ionizable side chain. Enzymes and structural proteins maintain localized pH for cellular reactions and structural stability. তাহলে আমাদের এটা কমপ্লিট হলো। থ্যাংক ইউ, অল দ্য বেস্ট।